Hey there everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Adobe Lightroom. So Adobe Lightroom is a photo editing and storage application available through the Adobe Creative Cloud. So this program allows you to quickly, easily edit your photographs with tools to alter contrast, balance color, and change brightness and stuff like that in your mobile devices immediately after taking the picture. So it's a very fun app. If you are looking to take your photo to the next level, then you have come to a right place. You can start it by editing the photos in Adobe Lightroom, and that is going to happen when you're going to sign in. So let's dive right in. You can use any preferred web browser you'd like. I'm choosing Google Chrome, so let's tap into that. And at the search bar, let's tap in Adobe Lightroom, and here let's tap in this download Adobe Photoshop Lightroom, and at the top right corner you can see sign in option. Let's tap in there. So you can either type in your email address, and you know what to do. You can type in your email address, or you can, and there are 3 options or more. You can sign in through Google, Facebook, Apple, even Microsoft and Line. So I'm gonna use Google, so let's tap and continue with Google. It may take a while depending on your internet connection. You may have to wait for some time. It's loading, and there you are. It says welcome to Adobe, and it says your name. So yeah, you have successfully signed into Adobe Lightroom. Now you can edit your photo, have fun with it, take your photo to the next level. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any queries, drop a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.